In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit agent. We'll start inside a Replit project in your browser. Once the page loads, look toward the lower left corner of the workspace and open the agent chat. This panel is your copilot. It can plan work, write code, and help you iterate right inside the project. If the panel looks minimized, it's the small chat icon near the bottom left edge. With the chat open, choose Build. Build launches a guided workflow that turns your goal into clear, trackable steps the agent can execute. It's the best place to begin when you want structure rather than ad hoc prompts. Select Ask Questions, Plan Your Work. If you see the same option again, click it once more to confirm. This encourages the agent to clarify requirements before touching code, which saves time and reduces rework. Give concise, outcome-focused answers so the plan reflects what you actually need. Next, click Plan. The agent will outline tasks, dependencies, and expected files. Read through this carefully to catch scope issues, missing edge cases, or test coverage gaps. If anything looks off, adjust your instructions in the chat and let the agent refine the plan. Move on to Make, Test, Iterate. If needed, click it again to expand its details. This is where the agent creates or edits files, runs the project, and adapts based on errors or feedback. Keep the console and file tree visible so you can monitor changes in real time and understand why each step is happening. You'll now see highlighted elements guiding the next actions. Click each highlight as it appears to proceed. These highlights typically mark fields, toggles, or confirmations the agent needs. Work through all of them in order so nothing is skipped or left in a partial state. When prompted, choose Fast. This prioritizes quicker responses, which is ideal while you're exploring or iterating rapidly. Then choose Autonomous. In autonomous mode, the agent can take a sequence of actions without asking for confirmation every time. It's efficient, but keep an eye on the diff view and output so you can stop if something doesn't match your intent. Enable web search and media generation. Web search allows the agent to pull in current information, while media generation unlocks asset creation like images or audio when your project supports it. Only enable what's necessary for your task. Use Back to return to the previous screen, then Back again to step out to the broader workflow view. Finally, click Publish. Publishing saves and shares the configured workflow so it's easy to reuse. Before you publish, review the plan, confirm files are in the right folders, and ensure no sensitive data is included. You've just set up and run the Replit agent from planning through publishing.